Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. So today I was thinking I was going to do like a get ready with me in bed kind of video, but today I kind of think I want to show you my pre-Halloween decorations. So today I was looking up to get a bed from Lull. Lull mattresses are really cool. They're not sponsoring today's video, but they give me this bed for free, so I wanted to like unbox it, like decorate it, give it my own little style for you. And then I also wanted to show you like my office and a couple other like miscellaneous like Halloween themed decorations that I've been decorating my house with lately. I told you guys maybe like a month ago or so that I really like have been discovering myself better since I've been living alone and here in Florida and things, and since I started like doing try on hauls and everything, and I tried on like some really dark aesthetic dresses and stuff like that. That's really just like the kind of person I am on the inside, and I think I'm finally able to express that on the outside now. Back in North Carolina, it's really hard to like, you know, express yourself if you are something really different. So I think I'm having an easier time doing that. It feels a lot more natural doing it here in Florida. People don't care what you do. So today I wanted to show you like my aesthetic in my house. Like, I'm not going to show you my entire apartment. It's not a good apartment. But I just want to show you some of the miscellaneous decorations I got and how I decorated my new mattress. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here's the box for the mattress. I am very excited. I'm going to do this all by myself. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I really wanted to make sure I could do this on my own. I was worried that was going to be too big for me to handle, but honestly it was packed really nicely, and as soon as I got it out of the box I realized I could do this on my own without any help. Please get your cats out of the way when doing this. Other than the cats getting in the way, it took me a total of 5 minutes to unbox everything. The only issues I had were like figuring out which way to put it on the bed, but it really wasn't that complicated at all, and I was able to do it on my own without any issues, even though Azrael really wanted to help me. So basically, as soon as I like cut the first layer of plastic, it started to unfold on itself and I could tell which way I was going to put it. Removing the plastic wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. I just had to make sure that I got it all off so it could inflate fully, and then wait the 24 hours for it to fully inflate before I slept on it so I could get to its peak fluffiness. But honestly, unboxing it was really easy and a one-person job. It didn't take much to do it. Alright, so my mattress is set up and it is going to start filling up with air, so I'm going to leave it for 24 hours before it gets to like its full fluffiness. Okay, so it has been 24 hours, the bed is fully inflated, and he wipes it, and it's a lot more supportive than what I'm used to, and I really like it. I think it's nice. When it was inflating, it was like fully full of air, and it was super fun. But now it's fully inflated, I'm going to decorate it with my own personal stuff and make it like my own aesthetic, and yeah, let's do that. Alright, so little girl likes helping, but we made the bed and it looks really cute. It is really fun and supportive. I am really happy to be having this. It is great and a really good upgrade from what I had before. So thank you, Lull, for the mattress. I appreciate this so much. I'm going to enjoy it. If you guys want an update on how it is, I certainly give you one of my monthly favorites video this month. And yeah, let's move on to the rest of the video and put my base on. Okay, so we've seen my bed setup, which is just like black and gray aesthetic with a white base from IKEA. So over here on this little corner, I have a little sign from Hocus Pocus, which I got from Spirit Halloween. It's like 12 bucks, but I think it was really cute. It has a black hat on it. Jinx is a really cool character, so I got this. I'll also try to like leave in the bottom right hand screen where I got everything from if I can't remember. So the next thing is this little dog. I got him from Home Goods. He's super cute. I almost didn't get him because he's an orange sweater on, but Adam said after Halloween is over he would repaint his sweater a different color for me, so he's gonna be an all year long character. Next we have this existing shelf that's been here since I moved in here, which has the eyeshadow palette for the Handbook of Recently Deceased from Beetlejuice, Lydia Dietz, and a little pumpkin from Target. We have this little setup right here, which is the cool candle holder guy. He is from And That. So is this bottle, the brains and the eyeball bottle and the black cat bottle. This bottle I've had for a year or two. I think I got it from Dollar Tree. This one is from At Home. There's just like a little potion-y station. It's kind of cute. I really like the dog down there. He's super sweet. Next at my regular desk, I need to replace this lamp because it doesn't match the aesthetic. We have this cute pumpkin from Home Goods, which is super cute. We have Azrael. Spirit Halloween salt and pepper shakers. They were on clearance, so I thought they were adorable. A hand from And That. The clock is from Amazon. This witch's brew, which opens up actually. Get it open. It opens up, just has some shelves in there. Azzy, you can't go in there. I haven't put anything in there yet. I don't know what to do with it yet, but I was thinking like maybe some little bottles or something. Or if I had a big kitchen, I could put spices in there. That'd be cool. Another Target pumpkin. This is just my computer. I put like a Halloween cookie background on it. We always have men's candles on my desk, so we have a men's candle from Target. Or no, TJ Maxx. A Freddy book, which is super cool. Really like that. And then we have this thing from Marshall's, which is like a spider hat situation. Hi, Azri. So this is a little desk area Halloween setup, which is pretty decent. In the kitchen, my kitchen's a mess, but I just got some Dollar Tree towels about black cats. Black cats. I got the matching oven glove to go with it. And then this is a towel I keep around all year. I've had it for like 2 years now. It looks like Azrael, which has like an oven mitt thing on the top. I got from Kohl's. Last thing in the kitchen is a little tree from Dollar Tree, which is cute and by the little cat food cabinet. This little guy is on like my cleaning closet. I've had him for like a year or two, a long time. I think he's from Spirit Halloween. He was like $2 and he's super adorable and never getting rid of him. And I think the last thing I have is like my all year long, I have this fall wreath in my bathroom because I'm in love with it. And I have like a Halloween-y kind of shower curtain from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I just thought it was super cool, and I think that's the last piece of Halloween-y stuff I have. So overall, I really like the like bed aesthetic, even though it's not made perfectly right now. And then like the desk area, which I think is super Halloween-y. Like I like a little potion station. I like this little area of my desk. I think it looks cute. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you do Halloween all year long in your house as well. The only thing is I'm gonna have to like have this thing repainted, not orange, after Halloween because I don't like the color orange, and then the dog as well, he's gonna be repainted. But other than that, everything is gonna pretty much stay, I think, after Halloween is over because I just like the aesthetic. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.